Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the Financial Freedom USA channel. Today we're talking about something that might surprise you. Work-from-home banking jobs. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually work in the banking industry from the comfort of your own home. And the best part is, you don't need a degree or a long commute to get started. So if you're looking to earn a good income without leaving your house, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Customer Service Representative. First on our list is the role of a customer service representative. Many banks are moving their customer service departments online, which means you can help customers with their banking needs from home. In this role, you'll assist customers with questions about their accounts, help them solve issues, and guide them through online banking processes. You don't need a degree to get started, just good communication skills and a knack for problem solving. Most banks provide training to help you understand their systems and products. As a customer service rep, you can earn anywhere from $15 to $25 per hour, and many positions offer benefits like health insurance and paid time off. Plus, you get to work in your PJs if you want. Number 2, loan processor. Next up is the job of a loan processor. Loan processors work behind the scenes to review and prepare loan applications for approval. You'll be responsible for gathering necessary documents, verifying information, and making sure everything is in order before the loan gets approved. This role is critical in ensuring that the loan process goes smoothly for both the bank and the customer. The good news is you don't need a degree to become a loan processor. Most banks and mortgage companies offer on-the-job training. If you're detail-oriented and good with paperwork, this could be a great fit for you. Loan processors can earn between $18 to $30 per hour, and there's potential to move up to higher-paying positions like loan officer or underwriter over time. Number 3, fraud analyst. Another exciting work-from-home banking job is that of a fraud analyst. In this role, you'll help protect customers and the bank from fraudulent activities. You'll monitor transactions, analyze data, and investigate suspicious activity to prevent fraud. It's like being a detective, but from your home office. You don't need a degree to start as a fraud analyst, though having a background in finance or criminal justice can be helpful. Banks often provide specialized training for this role. Fraud analysts can earn between $20 to $35 per hour, and this job can be both challenging and rewarding, especially if you enjoy solving puzzles and protecting people's money. Number 4. Mortgage underwriter. Fourth on our list is the mortgage underwriter. As a mortgage underwriter, you'll review loan applications to determine whether the applicant qualifies for a mortgage. This involves evaluating the applicant's credit history, income, and other factors to assess their ability to repay the loan. While some experience in finance or real estate can be helpful, many companies offer training to help you get started. Mortgage underwriters can earn between $25 to $45 per hour, and with the growing demand for housing, this is a job that will continue to be in high demand. Number 5. Online banking specialist. Last but not least, we have the role of an online banking specialist. As more people turn to online banking, there's a growing need for specialists who can assist customers with setting up and managing their online accounts. In this role, you'll help customers navigate online banking platforms, troubleshoot issues, and ensure they have a smooth online banking experience. No degree is needed for this job, just familiarity with online banking tools and good customer service skills. Online banking specialists can earn between $17 to $30 per hour, and this role offers the flexibility of working from home while helping people manage their finances more efficiently. So there you have it. 5 work-from-home banking jobs that don't require a degree or a commute. Whether you're looking for a career change or just want to work from home, these jobs offer great opportunities to earn a solid income while enjoying the flexibility that comes with remote work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on finding the best work-from-home jobs. If you have any questions or thoughts, Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.